You're welcome to my channel, Mindset Academy, where we want to reproduce the figure that is displayed at the right hand side of the screen in isometric projection. So when you hear the word isometric projection, the first thing you have to do is for you to draw your isometric axis, which means you draw your vertical this way, right? Draw the vertical this way. Representing the y-axis, and you draw the other one this way. Incline that 30 degrees to the horizontal in this manner. Now, if you look closely, the entire length from here to here is giving us 40. So I am going to measure 40 from here. So this is what we have from 0 to 40. And the entire length also from here to here is 50 plus 24. That is 12 plus 50 plus 24. That will give us what? 74. So I'm going to measure 74 from here. From 0 to 74 here. Can you see that? I will take my meter rule to increase the height of that in this fashion, and also in this fashion. Can you see that? And the height that is given here is given to be 16 plus 12, that is 28. 28 plus 25, that will give us what? 53, right? So the height here is given to be what? 53. So from here, I will measure 53. Hope you can see that. And I'm going to draw my inclined axis this way, and also this way, and also this way, and I'll close it up this way. Hope you can see that. You will now measure from the top. Measure 12 at this point and 12 at this point also. This is what I mean here. From this end here, you're going to measure 12. So from 0, can you see that? From this 0 here, you measure 12. So you can see that this 10, 11, 12 here. And from here also, you measure 12. This 0, 10, 11, 12. So what do you notice? It was dragged to the other end like this. So you place it like this, and it was dragged to this end here. From this end, straight down to this end. From this end, straight down to this end. Hope you can see that. And from this end, straight down to this end. And from this end, straight down to this end. Hope you can see that. So once you've done that, even these two end in here is closed. So from here, it's closed. And from here, it's closed. and from here it's closed, and from here it's closed. Can you see that? So the next thing you'll be doing here is that from this point here, you drag it down straight ahead like this, which is this point. You drag it down straight ahead in this manner. Hope you can see that. And also you drag it down to this end also, where my arrow is pointing, as you can see. Can you see that? So the next thing you do now, you get the center of the figure here, right? We know we measure what? 74, and half of 74 is given to be 37, right? So I am going to measure from here, or if we don't want to do that, you can just join the diagonals from these 2 points here this way, and from this end here to this way. So if they are meeting here, meaning that point is what? Is the center. So I'll just bring this down this way. So this is the center here. So from here to here is what? 37. Now what I'm going to do is you're going to measure 40, that is, you measure 20 to the left and also 20 to the right to make it that 40 you see. So from 0 here, right, can you see where my 0 is? I'll measure 20 here and also measure 20 here. Hope you can see that. And I'll take it up a little bit, faint line, and I'll take it up a little bit, faint line. And the next thing I'm going to do here, after I've done that, I'll now measure a thickness of what? Of 6, as you can see here. So that means I'll measure 6 millimeter upward from here, from 0 to what? To 6. So I just need one, I'll just thicken it, and I'll take it to the other end also, from here to here. You can see that, and I'll close it up from here to here. You can see that. Then I'll close it from here to here. You can see that, right? And I'll also close this base here, you see, from here to here, and also from here to here, right? Now the next thing you'll be doing here is that from this base up here, it's given to be what? Given to be 16, right? You can see. So from here, I'll measure what? 16. So place your meter rule from 0 here to 16, which I am going to thicken, right? And I'll just mark the other side too, this way. Faint line first. Take your faint line this direction. So you're ending here, and you're going to measure 16. There is 16 there, right? Now what do you notice? From this center, from this point you can see on the meter rule on the screen to the next point is 50. So from the center you'll measure 25, 25, right? So let's do that. From this center here, I'll measure 25, 25. So from 0, it's giving us 25, and this is also giving us what? 25, which I am going to take in like this. This point you see where my arrow is pointing, I'll close it up, and here also I'll close it up. Then I'll take it up with a faint line first again, faint line this way, and also here too, this way. Can you see that? And the height from that point, from here to here, is 25. So I'm going to measure 25. 25 from here, from 0 to 25. This is 0 here, this is 25. Right? So I can thicken it to that point. I'll do the same thing here too, from 0 here to 25. From this point, I'll thicken it to that point. Hope you can see that. And I am going to close it up. Here, is it closed? No, it is not closed. It is just going outward to touch the other line here. So this is coming outward here to touch this. This coming outward here to touch this. Hope you can see that. Then I will close it up from here. It's closed as you can see on the screen, and from here also it's closed as you can see. Now the next thing I am going to do is I'll take it inward a little bit like this. Faint line first, just help yourself. Inward, faint line, inward, faint line, inward, faint line. But here it's going in, I'll thicken it. You can see that. And I will now measure a thickness of 6 at the end here. So let me just extend this a little bit. So I'll measure 6 from here, somewhere here. So let's measure the 6. So from 0, I'll measure 6, right? Which I'll now thicken from here to that 6. Hope you can see that. Then I'm going to do it here. Close from here to this point, right? Then close from here to this point, right? Then I'm going to close here up too, right? And I'll close it up too, right? And I'll close it up too, right? Can you see that? Now the next thing is I'll do after I've done those ones is to look at the angle between this point is 90. So if I'm joining these two, I'm going to join it towards 90 degree as shown in diagram. So what I will just simply do here is that will help you easily. Let me just show you here. If we have 74 this way, so what I want to show you, if I draw this line here, let me move that one on the screen. I draw here like this. Can you see that? And the entire length you see is from here to here. See what I'm about to do? It's from here to here. Hope you can see that. And I start from here and I mark. This is where I'm starting from. This point. And I should take it up. That's what I'm about to do. And I should take it up. Also, I should take it up. And the entire height is this from here to here. Right? I come here, I mark. And I close it up this way. Can you see that? Then I take the thickness, which is what I measure here to here. I'll come here. I'll mark. I'll come here too. I'll mark. Can you see that? This is where I'm actually targeting here. So when I take my 45 degree and I bring it down like this, and I bring it down like this, this is the 90 degree form, Dabi. So what you just do, just take your meter rule, right? Then you can just take the height from here to this point. This is the height here, which you can just come from here to here. This is where to meet. Can you see that? So I'll just join them together. Are we there? I'll join them together from this point to this point, and from this point to this point. Hope you can see that. And once I've done that, I'll do the same thing too. If this is the center line here, and I bring it down, faint line. So where this is going to meet this is at this point. So that is where I will bring this from here to here. Hope you can see that. Then after we've done that, that is what we have there. We have successfully reproduced the figure that is displayed at the right hand side of the screen. using isometric projection, as you can see. So it is better for you to do your dimensioning the way you see on the screen. And also, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Thanks for watching.